Good morning. My presentation topic is depression as a predictor of problematic internet use among youth during COVID-19 lockdown period. Mental health needs to be as important as physical health once again during the COVID-19 pandemic period. The COVID-19 pandemic has been affected in all levels of life and people were trying to cope up with the epidemic in many ways. The daily life activities, academics, job functions has shifted to online and internet became very popular and a gift during this period. According to Madhukalya in 2020, investigated an increase in internet use during the COVID-19 lockdown period and the results show that the daily internet use or consumption has increased from 9% to 13%. Uncontrollable internet use can lead to problematic internet use. Problematic internet use is characterized by an individual's inability to control their internet use, which in turn leads to feelings of distress and functional impairment of daily life activities. In the current scenario, COVID-19 and related psychological burden consequent to the use of the internet, which is the most readily available and pleasurable activity. Grover et al. In 2020 surveyed the ages of the Indian Psychiatric Society. The result showed that about two-fifths of the 1,871 respondents had anxiety and 10.5% had depression. In the COVID-19 pandemic period, many research studies observed that problematic internet use is increased during the lockdown period. When we are coming to the aim of the study, the present study investigates the relationship between certain characteristics of youth and problematic internet use during COVID-19 lockdown period. For this goal, the researcher investigated the following question. Are depression, anxiety and stress significant predictors of their problematic internet use during COVID-19 lockdown period? When we are coming to the hypothesis, depression, anxiety and stress will not predict the problematic internet use during lockdown period. Methods. The study included 102 youths in the age range of 15 to 24 randomly selected from different parts of Kerala. The researcher obtained data from 58.8% of females and 40.19% of males. The researcher collected the data during the COVID-19 lockdown period from April to June 2020. The tools used for the study are, the first one is instrument for the assessment of internet use. The instrument for internet use assessment is a Likert type scale developed by Tamil Selvan and Manoj Kumar Sharma in 2019. According to the scale, the total score is in between 0 to 18 indicates that recreational use of internet. 19 to 36 is excessive use of internet and 37 to 54 is considered as dysfunctional use of internet. When we are coming to the depression, anxiety and stress scale, that is a second scale used for the present study. The depression, anxiety and stress scale consists of 21 items. It's a set of 3 self-report scales designed to measure the emotional states of depression, anxiety and stress. The procedure and data analysis. 102 youths were randomly selected for the study. The informed consent was taken at the beginning of the study and administered the research tools. The analysis of the data was carried out by the stepwise method of linear regression. The results of stepwise linear regression analysis related to the problematic internet use during COVID-19 lockdown period. Here we can see that the beta value is 0.382 is significant at 0.00011. The appropriateness of the data was examined and the stepwise linear multiple regression analysis initiated. The scatter plots proved the existence of a linear relationship. The histogram and the normal PP plot and partial regression graphics revealed no significant deviation from the normal distribution. As per the table, depression is significantly predict problematic internet use behavior among youth during COVID-19 lockdown period. However, Stress and anxiety are not found as predictors of problematic internet use during COVID-19 lockdown period. When coming to the discussion part, the findings of the present study support the study conducted by Fernandez et al. In 2020 on the impact of COVID-19 lockdown on internet use and escapism in adolescents. The study found that adolescents generally have increased their use of social media sites and streaming services. The individuals who scored high on gaming addiction, compulsive internet use, and social media use are reported to have high scores of depression. The research findings also support the cognitive behavioral model of problematic internet use. When coming to the conclusion, the study indicated that the research findings of the study is consistent with those found in the related literature. The current study has numerous limitations. The limited sample size of the study, the data collected on the basis of a self-report scale, and the results are inadequate for examining causal relationship. There is no acknowledgements. Authors have no conflict of interest. These are the references for the study. Thank you.